Parents will ask you, why are you not eating pork? But says, are you SDA? Or are you a Muslim? Well, your works decides it's like saying who owns you, who you belong to, which group do you belong. Of course, because Abayawe gave us the set of commandments and said, you are Abayawe's people because we do this one. So without even explaining who you are, which group you belong, which faith you belong, by your works, maintindihan na po na, malalaman po nila. Next slide po natin. Sige pa. Yeah, it's also, we can also see in James chapter 2 verse 17, so also faith by itself, if it does not have works, is dead. Yan po karamihan natin nakikita. Just like, for example, wanting to pass an exam. You want to pass an exam, but you never study. How can you pass? You hold in your mind, you believe, you have faith that you will pass. There's no work in it. Like trying to get promotions but going late. You have faith that you wanted to have promotions but you don't show it to your works. So faith by itself, when it does not have work, so next question. For the next question, we have like 3 remain. Sabi, has Abayawe ever canceled or changed his Torah? Pakita po natin dyan. In Malachi chapter 3 verse 6, I, Yahweh, do not change. Sabi. Yeah. Only human change. With the change of human being, no? For example, if we change our personality as time goes by, nababago po ang tao, nababago din po ang kanyang mga patakaran. But Abayawe does not change. What Abayawe already said before, it's still going the same until today. So if Yahweh does not change all words, His standards, all right.